He's a singer, dancer, belter, complete performer na kukumpleto na rin sa gabi nyo. Muli niyo tayong papahangayin sa interpretasyon ng kanyang kanta na inareglo pa ng Ace Musical Director na si Sir Homer Flores. This is his one moment in time from Team Sarah. Let's give it up for Darren!
A day to give the best of me. I rise and fall, yet through it all, this much remains. Give me one moment in time when I'm racing with
Wow! Darren! The Home Resorts world goes crazy!
Thank you po.
Great job, brother! Great job! Coach Leah, you have this smile on your face. Anong masasabi mo sa performance ni Darren?
Oh my gosh, the words phenomenal come
Thank you
the
po.
word phenomenal is the only word I can think of for
Thank
you
you
right
po.
now. That trip from Calgary to the Philippines was absolutely worth it for all of us watching you go from strength to strength. It
Salamat
was,
po, Coach.
you really took advantage of this moment and your family had better be so proud of you. You were amazing. That was amazing.
In fact, naiiyak si Daddy ngayon, right there.
Where's Daddy? Where's
Napapaluha
Daddy
ngayon
over
si
there?
Daddy, nakaupo doon si Daddy.
Oh.
At ang napatayo pa, right after your performance, syempre, your very own Coach Sarah.
Hello po. Thank you po, Coach.
Darren! Naku naman, with that kind of performance, ito parang pang grand finals na talaga ito. Talagang you really seized that moment.
Thank you
At
po,
naniniwala ko na forever mong yayakapin ang stage na tutungtungan mo. Every stage na tutungtungan mo. Talagang handang-handa ka na, Darren.
Thank you po, Coach.
At alam namin kung gaano ka nakagaling na performer, singer, dancer, at nasa iyo din ang good looks. Total package ka na,
Thank you po.
pero Darren, ramdam na ram ko that you are a good boy. You have this pure heart.
Thank you po.
At alam mo naman ang batang may talento at mabait na bata, binibless talaga ng Diyos. So, congratulations,
po.
Darren. We love you!
Thank you po.
Thank you, Coach Sarah. Darren, great job, bro.
Thank you po.